What I love about Toyota car culture is mixing up our car keys with our friends.
Everyone's super friendly. Everyone helps each other out.
Reliability is just a family within the community. Yeah, absolutely love it.
What's going on? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. We're out here in Long Beach, California today enjoying TOYOTAFEST. This show is great overall. We love coming out here. So I hope you enjoy the show. Let's check out some builds.
Hey, what's up guys? It's John here, also known as Cruiser of Lands. I'm here with R1 Concepts at TOYOTAFEST in Long Beach. So I got 35-inch tires on here with R1 brakes and rotors. And then I got some SCS wheels and some kink suspension up in here. Some carbon exhaust going on. Now I'm nervous, dude. Can I just rethink about this?
Right here we got RCI sliders, pretty sick sliders. You know, protect this pretty tank. Meteor shower back here. Some more SCS and Falcons with some 2.5s in the rear with adjustable reservoirs.
Sway bar links.
Sway bar links. There we go.
So that's my build. I'm new to this all. I like snowboarding. I like traveling, going on mountains. So I don't really know where I want to go with my build. I think I'm gonna start going like overlander, maybe crawling. But eventually I want to go like fast. So I think I want to go like long travel maybe later, but no idea. It's brand new to me. We'll see where this goes.